Hello everyone, welcome back to Cook with Yesmeena. Today I will be sharing with you an Afghan recipe, Borani Banjan, which is basically an eggplant dish with yogurt and lots of garlic and mint. To start off, wash and slice all the vegetables. Cut the eggplant into approximately 1/4 inch slices. I'm using my magic bullet to create the puree mix, which includes the tomatoes, tomato paste and garlic. Frying the eggplants is the traditional way of making this dish, but for a healthier option, if you wanted to, you could bake them. I like to incorporate vegetables in my cookings, not only for color and presentation, but also for added flavors. The bell peppers, onions, and jalapeños create a delicious mix when added to the eggplant. Simmer for only about 4 minutes on medium heat to avoid overcooking the vegetables, as it will go into the oven later on. I like to use fresh pureed tomatoes, as it creates a thinner sauce combined with all these spices, which is easily absorbed by the eggplant. Now this is the trick to enhancing the savory and the spicy flavors. I like to use my magic bullet to create the yogurt, garlic and fresh mint sauce to get a creamy consistency, but if you don't have one, you can always finely chop the mint, mince the garlic and mix it all together using a whisk. Did you guys know that eggplant is actually a fruit, not a vegetable, as most people consider it to be? Take one bite and I promise that your taste buds will be singing its praises. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Till next time.